to another video. I'm with Monica today. We're going to be going to a car meet in Orange County again. It's Origins, I believe. We're meeting up with Murder Cars right now, if they're still there, because we're running late like always. If they're there, we'll cruise up with them. If not, I don't even know where the next meet is, so I'll try to find it. But it is Origins. Apparently they get really big, and yeah, it'll be an adventure for us to go for our first times as well. So follow us along today and see where we end up.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we just pulled up. This is a Murder Cars pre-meet. I parked all the way down here though because my car looks like and it's super dirty and it's got like bird poop all over it, and these guys' cars look a lot nicer, so yeah. Damn, that thing's badass. I want one. That thing's badass. Got Monica today. And we'll see what kind of cars there is. Check this thing out, wide body. This thing is crazy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this car right here. That front end, the details, everything. Got a Stang. The seats in this are badass. The white on white is clean.
Rods in it.
Rods.
ARPN studs. That's it. Stock head. Everything else is stock pistons.
What size turbo?
Precision 58, 57.
58. Oh, I think probably spools nice for them.
Yeah, it pulls right up. Spin straight through third gear. No problem. Still got to keep turning it up. I got the laptop in the back seat. Called Motoza Performance.
Motoza?
That's the tuner.
Okay. Check this thing out, yes. I was thinking it was a Honda until I checked the side of it. I don't know. I'm dumb. On RPF ones. That's badass.
You guys ready? All right. The address we're going to for now is going to be 24196. 24196. Laguna Hills Mall.
Ready?
Let's go!
Alright, so you heard the man. We're heading out. We're going to roll out with them so that way we have a location. Because they're the ones that are staying on top of it. But yeah, we're going to try to catch up to them on the freeway. And they're heading up north, so shouldn't be too hard. The next meet we're going to is Origins meet. Origins is SoCal. I'll post a page right here. Their meets usually get pretty big, so it should be pretty cool. Or it should be a good showing. Hopefully there's some cool cars, and we'll pass out some stickers or talk to some people there, see what the logos are like. And yeah, see you there. So we just passed some guy in the blue RSX. I'll show you guys a clip. On the side of the road, he was stuck, so kind of nervous going up right now, just because this thing hasn't been trustworthy the last couple videos, but we'll see how it goes. I was going way too fast to because I was trying to catch up to him to even stop for him, so I'm sorry, but hopefully it all works out for you, because it's kind of far from home. We just showed up to the second location. There's my beauty right here, my beast. Like I said, they don't know if the meet's gonna be here for sure or not, but there's a good amount of guides here, so I'll show you guys what we're viewing. And yeah, so I came back for some stickers, that way I can hand them out if I see any cool cars, because I always forget. Thank you for reminding me. Alright, so that blue Acura RSX actually made it. That thing's boosted. I know because I heard it when it was coming in. So I'm glad he made it, because yeah, that would have sucked. He was kind of like in a bad spot. Oh, it's for sure gonna be here. Woo. There's a Mustang from earlier at the pre-meet. Pop that trunk if you guys want to check them out. This thing looks sick on camera.
That's a cool shot too.
So yeah, that's a cool touch to whoever did this. That's awesome. For anyone who doesn't know, Monica's a solitaire beast. If anyone wants to play for some money,
Get wrecked.
Haunted AMG, so you guys can follow him. This thing is sick. So yeah, here's a clear view of the wrap. A little bit more light. I think it's pretty sick. Do you like it? Alright. Some light. Earlier you were saying that this whole spot's gonna fill up, and then there's a back parking lot, you said?
Parking structure on the other side.
Okay.
It's like 3 and 4 stories high.
Oh shit.
The whole thing was built too.
Oh damn. So yeah, it's gonna get huge then.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Once they post the location, everyone's gonna come out.
So he's telling me his dad used to work with me in my other job, so it's pretty cool. Outside of a small world, we ended up like an hour away from home, and we meet up. He's like, "Hey, I recognize you." So, okay. Check out this yellow 1 Series. I don't think I've seen a. I like the color. I think it's nice.
Oh, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Check out this Genesis. So yeah, throwback to when I had one. Here's my picture right here. Bam, sad moment. Sad moment. Blown engine, but that's for another video I'll make on another day. Ooh, let's go check out this 370. My bad, I forgot to record. Yo, this E36. I used to have one of these as well. It was my first car. Mine was automatic and it was not anywhere near as clean as this one. Or modded, for that fact. I kept mine stock because I had no idea how to work on a car or any idea about how to mod one. But here we are a couple years later. Brings back memories. The what? Check out this color, you guys. Tell me this thing isn't clean. It's got the Domino's thing on the top. That's funny. Sweet ride. Alright, so they have cones right here so that only certain cars can come in, which is probably a good idea. That way there's a good quality of cars that are able to find parking and don't get their cars scratched. So you got like GTRs, MR2. Ooh, check out this GTR. Egyptian print, looking sweet. So Monica's favorite car is the R8. That's goals for her. Whoa, look at that one. That looks crazy on camera too. What do you think? Would you get the matte black? Damn. Badass car after badass car. Okay. So far, which one's your favorite car?
The R8.
The R8?
You're gonna be the shot.
I think for me, it's gonna be the white Porsche down there. Although my favorite wrap is that like hologram looking one. That thing looks super clean. Oh damn. Something else too is like everyone that walks in front of the camera by accident says sorry. I think that I haven't gone to another meet where they do that, so shout out to Origins. CA Corvettes. They look like Ferraris to me, but they're so badass. Someone brought the lunch truck from school? Oh, hell no. Sheesh. Okay. That thing's JDM as hell. I like that color. That thing's nice. This thing's pretty packed. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot of people here. She's directing traffic. Helping out. Sal couldn't make it tonight. He got off work late. He got a new job. So we feel you, bro. Hopefully you can make it to the next one. And we feel sorry for you because there's some cool cars here. I like the wrap on this one. Haven't? This thing is sick. Check out this license plate, you guys. This is right here. My boy can't drive. So yeah, we're pretty far. My car is parked around that corner back there. And yeah, there's a ton of cars here. We got a full parking lot over there. All of this. And it looks like it's gonna wrap around. So I'm gonna keep walking, show you guys around. I like this thing. I really want an Audi. I don't know why. They're just clean and simple. And they seem like they'd be fun. This thing stands out, I think. Yo, check this thing out. I think it looks clean, huh? So the new 400Z kinda gonna look like that. That's pretty much like the inspiration for it. This Hellcat right here. Got a little drag pack in it. Thing's clean. President. The Red Line Mafia, check them out. Alright. So I'm walking towards where all the luxury cars are. Some of them are revving right now. I'll try to get a video of whatever car it is or see what's going on over here. What you think?
They're loud.
And the seats fold up on the back. I like this thing right here. Super C8 GTR, Super GT. That's a pretty crazy lineup. Another Super leaving. Jesus. What's your favorite car so far?
Probably the holographic wraps.
McLaren? Yeah, it's that. We haven't seen an RS3 yet. Yeah, that sounds crazy, whatever that is. Alright, so we're heading out right now. My car is back here. Yeah, the view is pretty packed. They got actually really packed. A lot of cool cars, people hooning in the background, so long night. So yeah, check us out next time. Let us know where we should go next. Don't forget to like and subscribe.